And welcome to our first meditation of 2026. Wow, didn't 2025 go quickly? And for many of us, not quickly enough. Huge endings and clearings and finishings and ties being severed and all kinds of things. Anything that wasn't permanent in our life should have been removed. And if we've done that nicely, then we'll breeze into 2026. So at the vortex here, we've got some wonderful new energies flowing in, and it's really exciting. It's the words I were given came in so clearly one night about 3 a.m. and it said, "We are now one." I thought, well, yeah, okay, good. But then all of a sudden I had this incredible clarity and I could see all of the kingdoms, absolutely all the dimensions and everything was all on the same level. We could see everything. And by that I mean the plant divas, the fairies, the elves, the dragons, definitely the dragons, and the animals have changed enormously. And as with the photo for our meditation, they are changing in frequency as well, and they are getting very more interactive with us, and horses in particular, who are very placid and laid back and don't say anything unless you really ask them. They will actually come forwards now, and it's a wonderful thing. The little foal there in the photo is a little bright spark. He's going to make his presence very much known. And it was an honour meeting little Chip and his lovely paddock sister, Breeze. So I had a lovely afternoon back in my horse kingdom, which without Shiloh now is incredibly barren. So I love my time there. So what we're going to do today, we're going to just sit back. We're going to enjoy. We're going to take a few nice big deep breaths, connecting as usual to the centre of the earth and the centre of the universe. We'll do this at the same time today. Fully expanding the top of your chest or your higher heart, filling it totally with the new energies coming in. And as we breathe out, we release the last of the old, the feelings that it's still lingering. A little bit of the hangover feelings, but they have been released now, and now we're coming into a huge time of adjusting and alignment, and all the new energies are here. As I was saying, all the kingdoms have become one. We are now at a stage where we are one. But we don't know how to handle it yet, or we don't know the difference it is to what it was. So today we're just going to sit back and allow us to release all the leftover feelings and the trials and tribulations of 2025, and we're going to welcome the new. And we do this by taking some more deep breaths. Again, drawing them into the higher heart. Totally filling the heart. And allowing them then to spread right throughout our body. The new energies are very soft and gentle and subtle, but they're very different. We just now allow ourselves to, our breathing to come back to normal, just relaxing. And we say in our mind, I willingly accept the new, and happily release the old. This gives your body permission to take in all the new energies and release the old. Because as we will find out this year, with everything becoming one, it includes every cell in our body. And energy is an amazing thing, and it can do amazing things. But we need to program it. So as we're drawing in the new energy with each and every breath, we're directing it to each and every cell to reactivate, once again, the divine. And mentally and emotionally, if we choose. And if we've got a body that's renewing and trying very hard, then we should also join it. And another added bonus of the new energies coming in and becoming one is that the veil between us and our guidance, our higher self I'm speaking of, not so much our guides, but our higher self, it becomes much more available to hear us. And again, we can ask it anything. And expect answers. Because we're programming our higher guidance or our higher self to help us grow and change and move forward as one in the new energy. So we'll take a few more deep combined breaths. And allowing our new programming to take place in each and every cell. I activate my divine blueprint in each and every cell. I activate my divine blueprint in each and every cell. Once the energy knows what to do, it will do it. So now I'm going to leave you for some quiet time and know that you are now in touch with your own guidance. And this year I would like you to specifically ask your own guidance, ask for your own guidance, your higher self, because it knows you far better than you know yourself. You welcome all other guidance, of course, but for yourself and in your own personal growth, everything should go through your higher self. So sit back and relax and enjoy the new energies, and I'll call for you shortly. I'll get you all now to take a deeper breath and bring yourselves back slightly. And as I tuned in today, I was asking what message should I give people if so required, and immediately got an answer again from Atlas 3i. Now, I have been tuning into Atlas 3i on a regular time, and it's been an amazing experience. It is definitely an activator for our solar system or universe, or perhaps all of the above. But it is an incredibly amazing ability to actually activate not only your own healing, but your own consciousness. And once you do this, you can actually become part of the consciousness that Atlas 3i is. And it's on your level. And as you grow, you get taken further into their consciousness, which is so far advanced to what we are. So I would recommend everybody tune into Atlas 3i. It is here to help us. And get you to keep taking some nice deep breaths now and bring yourself back. Bring back fully to right here and right now. And to some of you, as you look out the window, it will be just that little bit brighter, a little bit different. Nothing we'll be able to put our fingers on. Life is just that bit different now. Let's program ourselves to become one with it. So thank you for tuning in today and being part of our meditation. We look forward to hearing or seeing from you next month, and we'll see what advancements we've all made then. Have a wonderful time and a wonderful holiday season. This is Grandmother Sue from the Vortex Healing Centre saying goodbye.